My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, it's me, your host, Sneakerhead, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so back-to-back videos, well, back-to-back days. Yesterday, I posted the Air Jordan 4 Driveway Gray. Good job, Classic. Driveway Gray. Go check out that review. Is up now right there. This one is a shoe that I actually was waiting for. Did not catch me off guard. Once again, shout out to Foot Locker. And this shoe came out about 10 years ago, 11 years ago. I don't know the exact date. But this is the second time this came out. And when it came out the first time, it had an accessory with it. And everybody was going crazy for the shoe. But now, I don't really think too many people hyped about it. Probably because, like, you know, they just don't care no more. We're in a different time. But right now, off top, you see the colorful box. That blue and orange. You see on the lid, KD 35. Stands for Kevin Durant 35. That's his old number when he's with the Oklahoma City Thunder. And when he's with the Seattle Supersonics. Like that. I don't think he wore that number. Did he wear that number in Golden State? Yeah, I think he wore that number in Golden State. But these came out when he's with the Thunder. Alright. On the description of the box, it reads KD Nerf. Color is Concord Bright Crimson Black. Suggested retail price I think was $130 if I'm not mistaken, because I think with tax I paid like $150, something like that. So size 9, because I do, just like my Kobe's, I go up half a size with KD's. So you know what I mean. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, boom. Without further ado, let's get to it. Up. As soon as you open the box lid right there, you see this bright, you see the green, orange right there. See a cartoon picture of KD dunking a ball. Nerf right there, Nike sign right there. You can see that. Dope. I like that. Regular paper, nothing special about that. Boom. All right. And without further ado, tuck these laces in real quick. Boom. All right. Without further ado, we got the Nike KD. I think this is the KD 4s, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. But KD, let's just say we just want to say KD until I know for a fact. KD Nerf. Boom. All right, like I said, KD Nerf. These are the KD 4s too. I remember now, KD 4. So, got some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. You know, I always give y'all some information. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's gonna be up right next to me, right now, right there. So you can read along with me if you want. All right. So it says the Nike KD 4 Nerf, a popular shoe collaborating with Hasbro Inc. Nerf initially dropped in 2011 in limited quantities. Good news for fans is making a comeback in the summer of 2024. This flashy Nike KD 4 boasts of vibrant colors and Nerf design we all know and love. The midsole and midfoot strap features a cool splattered graphic, and the tongue tag sports both Nerf and KD 5 logos and Nerf iconic lettering. The original release even included a Nerf hoop and basketball to celebrate the collaboration, and it's highly likely that this bundle will return in 2024, which it did. Blah blah blah. Market calendar is August 9th, which is the day. Yes, I was right about the retail price, $150. In the summer, the KD 4 Nerf is making a triumphant return in summer 2024, featuring a vibrant Nerf. It's basically saying the same thing. All right, so not too much information, but I'm gonna give y'all here some pictures of it. Right there. These ads keep on popping up. I don't know why these ads keep on popping up on my phone. Like that. And I think that's going to boom, some more pictures. Everything I'm showing y'all, right? All right, that's it. That's all we really need. All right, because it's a pretty simple shoe. It's a basketball shoe, so ain't that much to talk about. Like they said, that's what I was talking about. The original pair that came out in 2011 came with a Nike Nerf hoop and a small little basketball. It was dope. I think it sold for a lot. Let's see what it's going for on StockX. As a matter of fact, the original pair, it was going crazy because it's like nobody wasn't really doing stuff like that. Like they weren't doing stuff back in the day like that. Let's see. Nike Katie for Nerf 2011. Let's see what it's going for. Whoa! Right now, this is insane. So hold on. First of all, let me show y'all the Nerf hoop. I'll show you that. So on StockX, wow, in my size is a bid. A size 11 is $5,000. Yeah, for this shoe. There's nothing different about it. But the original pair it's a bid for everything. For every size is a bid up there, meaning you got to bid with other people. But for size 11, they have someone is selling it for $5,000. Yeah, and it's nothing different. It is the exact same shoe. It is nothing different. I'm trying to see if it's a color. No, it looks exactly the same. Yeah, the original pair. That's insane. But yeah, if you can see that little Nerf hoop right there, it comes with a little Nerf basketball hoop right there. So basically the Nerf was basically back in the day when kids used to play with the little rims and a little ball. You hang it up on your closet, on your bedroom, and everybody used to jump and do little dunks and stuff like that. That's what this is inspired by. Hey, if y'all hear that noise in the background, that is Chewy just making a bunch of noise because Jessica is playing with them. Leave them alone while I'm doing my video. She's getting them all riled up. So anyway, let's get through this video like that. All right, so we got all this as vibrant colors going all the way through. See the dark blue right there, that ocean blue. I'm saying ocean blue. I'm not saying that's the original colors, but blue laces right there. Got that orange Nike swoosh on both sides. That like highlighter yellowish green KD on the back. On the tongue, it got KD 35 in 2 different colors. And on the outer sole right there, you see all these different colors. Orange, that lime green is like that. That bluish purple like that. I mean, it's a dope shoe. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know how I would wear this shoe because it's so colorful. Like I just wanted it because I didn't have the original pair. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So this was something. Any extra laces? No extra laces. Yeah, so this was something that from my childhood. I'm sorry, not even childhood. I was a grown up in 2011. I'm sorry, I apologize. I just remember when these came out, these was so limited. I could not get it. So I got it now. Just like the KD. What's the other ones I just got? The Galaxies. I was able to get them. I missed out on them the first time they dropped. I was able to get them. I'll leave that. If you want to see the review for the KD Galaxy, I'll leave that up there right there. So, but yeah, all in all, I mean, it's a good shoe from 2011. So, y'all let me know if it was if this was a copper drop for y'all. Class, what you gonna get this 1 to 10?
7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
What you like about it?
The blue.
The blue. Blue,
Yeah.
nice. The bluish purple.
Yeah.
Right too. I give it a 7. Give it a 7. Like I said, it's not nothing special. It is a basketball shoe. If you are one of those rare few people that are okay with wearing basketball shoes, lifestyle shoes, like me myself, I'll rock a Kobe with an outfit. Some people be like, "Oh, that's nasty." I got a lot of LeBrons, which is a basketball shoe that I rock as a lifestyle shoe. Some people like, "Yo, basketball shoes should only be worn on the basketball court." But if you rock it, you rock it. I'm one of those people, so I'll give it a 7. I mean, it's not a bad shoe, not a great shoe. It's whatever. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tunes Kicks, the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.